Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe. Rooster's Recipe. Okay, so he's got to lean down to get down to my height. He's a foot taller than me, I'm not joking. But what are we making today, babe?
Roasted jalapeno popper grilled cheese.
Oh my gosh, that sounds so good.
I like it hot.
I'm honestly scared they're gonna be a little bit too hot for me, but we shall see.
So for this recipe, you'll need sliced bread of your choice.
Normally, we like to use Texas toast when we're making sandwiches, but there's like a food shortage of everything, so this is all we could find. Classic white Sara Lee, which we love this bread too.
Next, you'll need 4 medium-sized jalapenos, or larger, because I like hotness. Then you'll need 6 strips of bacon, already cooked and chopped.
Which he just did. It's nice and fresh.
And then you will need a tablespoon of olive oil. And then also you'll need some butter, onion powder, garlic salt, and pepper. And then you need half a cup of cheese and 4 ounces of cream cheese.
Yeah, so a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese and cream cheese that's already like kind of room temperature. Have we already cut this in half?
No, we haven't.
Do we have a half in the fridge
No,
already?
we don't.
Okay, so you just need half of this. See, this is the bacon he just cooked. I'm about to take a bite myself. Look how late we're cooking dinner. Don't hate.
So first you will need to set your oven to 475.
475.
Oh, 425. Let me rephrase that. 425. And then you hit start.
Okay. Okay, so I'm sneaking a piece of bacon. Alex has a baking sheet over here, and he says he's lining it. I don't know if you can hear me because he's really loud.
That's what I am.
He's lining it with parsley paper, not parchment paper, parsley paper. And why am I holding this bacon like this?
Oh, you're probably dripping grease all over.
It looks like it looks like some kind of what does this look like? All right, so you're gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper, put all of your jalapenos on there to cook, and Alex is going to go ahead and lightly brush them with olive oil.
Oh yeah. I so can't wait till this is done. This is gonna be so good for me.
For you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hopefully it's still good for you.
Did y'all hear that evil laugh? He said,
So now you're going to put your jalapenos in there. You're going to get it roasted for 10 to 15 minutes.
In there, where's in there?
Huh?
You said we're gonna put them in there. What's in there?
That's the oven. I mean,
Some people might not know.
well,
Just let them know. Dang, babe, you need that big old knife.
the last time you complained I had too small of a knife. Now I
Okay,
get
go
too
ahead,
big
go
one.
ahead, go ahead.
So that's 2 and that's 4. Need 4 ounces. So we're going to slice it. So now I want to add the cream cheese to your medium-sized bowl. Maybe. Trying not to get my hands all over it so I won't make a mess.
Don't want to get dirty.
No, I can't get these delicate hands dirty.
All right, so next you're going to add, we don't use garlic salt much. We had to like pound it to make it kind of,
Come out the bottle.
yeah, it's not expired though, but use half a teaspoon, not a tablespoon.
Teaspoon. TSP for spoon. TSP for spoon.
You don't want to use more than that because it would be really salty. There's a difference between garlic salt and garlic powder.
So now you're going to add a half a teaspoon of onion powder. There you go, half a teaspoon. On top.
Add another sprinkle.
Another sprinkle.
Yeah. All right, now just go ahead and add a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper to your mixture here in your mixing bowl. Now you're gonna mix this until creamy. We have one of those like little mixer things that we've never opened before, but I really don't feel like going and getting it out of the garage and opening it. So Alex is using this. So funny story, the only reason I have one of those little hand mixers, I have a regular like hand mixer with the two things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I have one that's got the one thing on it, and I got it for free from Ulta at Christmas time for buying a hair straightener. What sense does that make? Anyway, it's pink, it's cute, but I've never used it.
So now you're going to chop up your jalapeno into slices. Oh yeah, I can smell that heat.
Look how happy he is. He loves himself a good old jalapeno.
Yes, I do. So you can chop them up however fine you want them chopped, or you can make them as however thick you want them. So some people, they like to put the seeds in there. Me, I don't, but it's whatever your cup of tea is. I'm gonna go with this, what I have, so my wife will be able to taste it without burning her mouth. So now you're going to put some butter on one slice of the bread. You're going to take one of your slices.
Put it face down.
Put it face down. And then now you're going to take your cream cheese and put it on there the best you can. You might have to take your...
Probably gonna need a spoon for this, or like a knife.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get another knife here. Might need some more cream cheese.
All right, to my satisfaction, he covered all the holes.
So now you're going to add your bacon.
Next, you are going to add half of your cheese to the top of your bacon. So you originally started with a half a cup, so you can just use half of that, which would be a fourth a cup, obviously.
So now you're going to butter your other piece of bread.
The butter's the best part.
And then you're going to put it on top.
Should we stick something in that little hole?
No.
I'm just joking.
There you go.
Okay, cock-a-doodle-doo. It kind of looks like a rooster. I mean, if you really sit there and look at it.
Oh, rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
How do you feel about cock-a-doodle-doo?
I'm just ready for y'all to go to bed so I can cuddle.
He's right. She's ready for us to go to bed so she can come get in the middle of us that I've started calling the Bermuda Triangle. I've tried telling her that if she goes in this little triangle that's between me and Alex in the bed, that she'll never be seen again, but she doesn't listen. And the Bermuda Triangle doesn't work on her, so spoiled she will stay.
Stay tuned for the taste test.
All right, so now we are moving it to the oven on medium to high heat. Is that what you got it on?
Moving it to the stove.
To the stove. Maybe I'm the one who doesn't know the difference. Stove and oven. What's that look?
Stove and oven.
Roosters do the darnest things. So now there's really no rhyme or reason to the way that you cook this. You're pretty much gonna cook it like a grilled cheese, and I'm gonna kinda cover it up and leave a little hole, a little slit right here.
Oh,
Look.
it got a little dark. That's all right. Nothing wrong with that. I'm sure there's nobody in the world that haven't had a dark one.
Okay, flip that back over.
This one?
Yeah. All right, I think they're both done.
All right, you can grab me a plate.
Yaha! Burnt grilled cheese. Burnt jalapeno papa grilled cheese.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Ainsley's in there yelling, "You burnt the dinner!"
So now we're going to cut it.
At the corner? What kind of triangular motion are you going for? I mean, you know, did they teach you that in elementary school?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get taught much in elementary school, let's be honest. I haven't used much of anything I've been taught. Look what it looks like on the inside. Oh my goodness. Look how digitally umptious that is. Is that even how you say it? I'm not sure. But it looks so good.
Still good, even if it's burnt. Still looks good.
Just like you.
Yeah.
All right, so it's time for our handy dandy taste test. Alex has his bottle of water over here, purified drinking water, great value brand from Walmart, purchased by moi, yours truly. And I have my leftover, I'm trying to show you in the video. What? I have my leftover Dunkin' Blue Latte in this. And here's the plate.
Yummy. We gonna eat?
Sure. Okay, I'm gonna take the first bite because I'm scared.
I'll take the first bite. How you doing on that? What kind of bite is that? Popper take a bigger bite than that.
I'm scared of the jalapeno.
Oh my gosh.
Mmm.
Jalapeno.
Mmm.
Mmm.
That's really good.
Burnt one.
Oh my goodness. I think this is the second recipe in a row that we've made with cream cheese, but I ain't mad.
This right here is delicious. It's pretty simple. Even though if it's burnt, I still love it. But the cream cheese is what sets it off.
I think that's the case for a lot of these recipes that we've made, or at least the past two, because honestly, I taste the cream cheese more than anything.
Mm-hmm.
And I love cream cheese, so there's that.
If y'all love grilled cheeses, yeah, I said cheeses.
He sure did.
So if you love grilled cheese,
Burnt ones.
even if it's burnt, I would recommend trying this for at least one time. You might like it, you might not, but for at least once, try it.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed our jalapeno popper grilled cheese sandwiches.
Yes.
So, with that being said, if you are new here, this is Mr. Rooster, I'm Mrs. Rooster. We are so glad to have you. If you're not new here, then you know that I also have a YouTube channel. Shameless plug. Go follow me over on Carla McKenzie. I do a lot of shopping over there. If you like to shop, I mean, it's Amazon Prime Week and
That's our kitchen table.
that's our kitchen table.
Kitchen table.
Okay.
I say kitchen table.
He's judging me.
It's like Christmas.
But it's my job, okay? It's my job, right? Okay.
Anyways,
Thank you for watching.
if you like our channel, hit that little subscribe button, and we will see y'all next time.
Bye.
Yummy.
Let's get close to it and do like a thumbnail.
Yummy.
Go like this. Do that again. Stop trying to scratch my butt while we're about to eat.
So, okay. You see that right there? When you put that on there, I'll scratch anything on your body.
Oh, I'm just trying to get the camera right, you know? We gotta have angles. Angles.
Yeah,
Somebody's gonna be like, your hair's in the plate. That actually looks like a chicken.
While you over here ain't playing around, I'll eat.
What are we making today, babe?
Rooster. Rooster. Yeah, we are making a rooster today.
So we're making a rooster.
What do you think?
She's like the wind.
She's like the wind.
I did an Instagram story like that this morning. Did you see it?
No.
Okay. Anyway. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey y'all! Welcome back to Rooster's Recipe.
No?
Kind of a little cheesy, I don't know.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Be careful with that.
Okay, let's do this one.
1,
2, 3.
Hey y'all! Welcome back to Rooster's Recipe.